So these, we're going to do in class today, number 7. Homework is going to be number 8. And it's almost identical kind of problem, right? So this one says 500 juniors at Central High School took the ACT last year. The scores were distributed normally with a mean of 24 and a standard deviation of 4. Label the mean and 3 standard deviations from the mean. So 24 goes here, right? How will I label that?
Plus 1.
Right? Since a standard deviation is 4, we're going to make that 28. We're going to make this 32 and make that 36. Okay, how about this one? 20, 16, and 12. Okay, I'm going to, just for the sake of making this easier, we want to go between sides. I'm going to put those percentages back on here. Okay, so no, it really doesn't, does it? But don't do that. Okay, so now this was the 34%. This is 34%. This was 13.5%. Right, this one said 2.5%. It's not really, but that's okay. We'll see. This is 13.5%. And this is the 2.5%. Okay, so now we want to know what percent of the juniors who took this ACT had scores between 20 and 28%. Okay, so from 20 to 28, I'm gonna go like this. No, I'll keep it blue. So in between these two, 20 to 28, what is the percent? 68%. So I just add them up. Okay, what percent were between 16 and 32? From here to here. Did I do that right? 16 to 30. 95%, right? Okay. Do the next one. The next one, between 16 and 28, would take you from here to here. Okay, now it's not 3 to 3, right? It's -2 to +1. What percent is in there? 34 plus 34 plus 13.5, 81.5. Okay. Next. That's not good. Okay, now what percent is less than 12? Meaning to this side of 12. Okay, is it 0.3? 0.15 actually. Now listen, if you look at their percentages here, you would think it's 0 because these add up to 100%. So how could there be anything to the left of that? But there is. We know that it's 99.7 between -3 and +3, which means there's 0.3 not in there. How much of that is to the right and how much is to the left? Half, right? So this is going to be 0.15%. And how about the greater than 24? Meaning greater than the mean. How much data should be in there? 50%. It's symmetric. The greater than 24, it's on your sheet. This one, the less than 12? Because we know from the last slide that the empirical rule says 99.7 is in between 3 and -3 standard deviations, which means 0.3 is not in there. 0.3 is divided between the right of 3 and the left of -3. So divide 0.3 by 2, 0.15.